Now to the new development in the Idaho college murders case. The judge has granted the defense request to move the trial to a new location. Kana Whitworth joined us with more. Good morning, Kana.
Yeah, Michael, good morning to you. So this is a big win for Bryan Kohberger's legal team, who used experts to testify about the personal connections that people in Moscow had to this case. Feelings of fear, stress, and anxiety that they say people in other counties didn't have. This morning, the judge in Moscow, Idaho, granting a legal victory for Bryan Kohberger, agreeing to move his trial out of Latah County, where the murders took place. The judge saying the defense proved a reasonable likelihood that prejudicial news coverage will compromise a fair trial in Latah County.
There hasn't been positive stories about Bryan Kohberger. It's negative stories. It's all negative.
ABC has reached out to Kohberger's family multiple times for an interview, but they have declined.
All rise.
Kohberger's defense team, who says he's innocent, called multiple expert witnesses to testify that the jury pool in the tight-knit community had bias and prejudgment opinions of guilt. Prosecutors say they can link Kohberger to the murders of Kaylee Gonzalez, Madison Mogan, Xana Kernodle, and Ethan Chapin through DNA evidence found at the scene, as well as security footage and cell phone data, and argued they could still secure an impartial jury in Moscow.
There's no place that you can go in America and find people that haven't read about this case. I think this was the right call by the judge.
Kaylee's family speaking to ABC News overnight.
We always tried to do what we thought was the best, keeping it where it happened. But if that can't happen, let's hit the ground running and just get it going.
Now, this trial is slated to start in June, but there's two big questions that remain here. Who is the judge that will preside over this case, and exactly where it will be held? And the where, Robin, is left up to the Idaho Supreme Court.
All right there, Kana. Thank you. I know you've been on this from the very beginning for us.